So this is just We the People News. One more time, y'all. Alright, so this video is without prejudice and or without recourse. I'm not waiving any of my rights. None whatsoever, people. Alrighty? If I say or do anything on here, it's out of my opinion only. I'm not an attorney. So therefore, I'm not going to give legal advice. Alright? And if it's only up to you to exclude if it's legal advice. Okay? This is Jeff Morgan. You guys need to check him out, especially the people here in Texas, of what is actually going on in the family courts, especially under the 4D contract. Conflict of interest against the parents and the children that you guys call children. Okay? Against the mom and the dad and the sons and the daughters. Alright? So the whole system is under contract, and it's a non-judicial court. Okay? Just going to remind you guys, I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving legal advice. It's just my opinion. Alright? Of course, it actually says it in the 4D program that it's a contract. Alright, anyway, with this guy, it's kind of actually a good learning video for some of y'all. Now, there's going to be certain things that you're not going to agree with him on, but overall, you need to watch, subscribe, and learn what is going on. You know, he goes down to the Texas House and voices opinions to the House of Representatives. He stands around and has meetings with a bunch of other parents and this, that, here, and there. Dare I say it, most of the time the fathers are ones that are screwed, but it's also ladies out there. So don't misconstrue that's a father and dad thing and all that kind of stuff. Because ladies, we know it happens to you. It just, a lot of times that, 90% of the cases, it's against the men. Okay? So don't misconstrue that of any sort, way, or fashion. Okay? Let me see if I can clear that up. Alright? So anyway, this, he's in a courtroom challenging.
Object to this because I am an independent journalist covering this. When you presented CPAP, here's the case that I'm very interested in. Excuse me, sorry about that. I believe that the court manager right here. I've also been in touch with the Attorney General's office. I've been in touch with various political candidates as well. So I'm here to actually go into watch what's taking place on the National Court. Okay, so you're making no plan injunction, because I'm going to define it with the, okay. And can I get your information then to, if you really want to follow up with that, because the court shall remain open, that's our Constitution. So making sure, is it office, what do you go by, Chair? Deputy, okay, sorry, I'm not too familiar with the titles and everything. Deputy for watch a case in contravention of the Texas Constitution that the court shall remain open.
Okay, I get you the court administrator.
Absolutely, please do. Absolutely.
What do you say your name was?
My name is Jeffrey Morgan.
I can't let you in there.
Court administrator comes to me, so I can speak with you.
doing what I'm told.
Who's telling you to do
That's
this?
the judge's order.
And which is the judge?
His name is Philip Arian.
Philip, is that with one L or two?
I'm not sure.
How do you spell his last name?
I'm not sure.
I'm going to stop right there. Again, I'm not an attorney, okay? This is just my opinion. Now, especially anybody tied with the sheriff, deputies and all that, sheriff department, all right, most of the time they're actually in to keep the peace in the court. So when the judge gives an unlawful, unconstitutional order, it is up to that deputy to deny that. And Morgan, if you happen to see this, Jeff, all right, always challenge them. Tell them, do not trespass upon me. Okay? Because that's essentially, or trespass upon the Article 1, Section 13. Do not trespass upon my lawful rights. Okay? Most of them knows what the word trespass means, so that actually gets them a little concerned, and it starts making them second guess things. Okay? Don't mean they're not going to stop doing it. It means they're going to second guess everything. Okay?
His last name again is
Arian.
Arian.
With an A.
A-R-I-O-N. You don't have to work that. So this is Judge Philip. Arian has issued an order that says no people are allowed to observe the proceedings that take place in this court. Is that correct? So he violated the Constitution by doing so. That's okay. I'm not here to cause problems, but I am saying that I am here as an independent almost idea. Report this to CPAP in August of this year.
I'm going to pause it again for a second, okay? Again, I'm not an attorney, so I'm not giving legal advice. It's my opinion. Alright? But these officers in these court buildings actually stop doing these things, then the judges actually have no authority. When you sit and think about it, when they give unlawful orders and the deputies in there don't harass these people, what power does the judge actually have, y'all? Sit and think about it. Just saying.
CPAC is up in Dallas from the 4th to the 7th. You can take a look at that talk today. We have almost 400,000 followers.
Reading the instructions that only parties are allowed in these court proceedings.
Okay, so even though the instructions violate the Constitution, you have to uphold the instructions.
Only parties are allowed in this court, and that's the end.
Okay, and that's Deputy Possible, is that correct? P-O-S-T-O-N? Okay. Thank you very much, I appreciate it. I wanted to come down here, I thought I'd leave. Thank you so much. And you're going to mention, probably call you in witnesses as well. I could connect you with submit this to higher authorities, including the Attorney General's office and other this as well, including the SCJC. So I will be asking for your sworn testimony as well regarding this. Okay. I appreciate it. Oh, is that okay? So,
Listen to what Jeff Morgan said. Told the deputy he's going to be asking for his sworn testimony about what the judge just did. People, we need to start doing that. You know, technically by our rights, they won't do it, but he can tell that deputy in there, or the officer of the court, to go in there and arrest that judge for violating his rights. And I guess, I would challenge that, to put him on record, right? Okay, well, I demand you to go arrest that judge, giving on-off orders. Well, I'm not going to do that. No, no. Well, who are you working for? After all, the people's one who voted your sheriff in, your boss. You work for the people. You don't work for the court. This is a misconception. Confusion. Y'all. That's the reason why we vote for the sheriff, to help protect us from them. That includes FBI and all them. They don't have all these magic jurisdictions. That's the reason why you can challenge jurisdiction in the courts. It's not a sovereign citizen crap. Alright.
You're here to uphold the law, not to uphold unconstitutional, unlawful instructions. Is that correct?
We're not here to debate you.
No, I'm just saying, I just want to make sure that I have everything on record.
The famous words, right? We're not here to debate you. You're breaking the Constitution to impede to someone else to violate somebody else. But we're not going to get in a debate. Really? So you are not upholding your contract of the oath you took in to uphold the Constitution.
So I'm clear with that, because I'm not trying to, because I'm going to do what I need to do. I appreciate you guys, and, but just to let you know, I am going to continue on with this. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
He's going to do a little talking out there here in a minute, y'all. And I'll probably stop here at, well, you guys finish this, but, I mean, he got everything on record. Record. Okay? You hear these cop archers and all that. If he can, record in the courthouse. If he can, get the cam in the courtroom. Okay? And then you must find out in your states of for your request of getting these cams and stick it to them. If they deny you, and there's a particular law saying they can't deny you, there you go. Alright? And it sounds easy, y'all. It really ain't. Alright? This is the same man that I learned. And you check out his video, he actually goes step by step on his judicial complaint on the judge. So you're going to have to look him up and go back on there. Or you can look up mine, because I recorded it too. And learn something about how to file a judicial complaint. Okay?
What are you, Pat's father? I'm Jeff Morgan. Hey, how you doing? So, I heard a while about you. It was all good.
Okay, so they wouldn't let you in either.
No, they wouldn't let me in, but that's okay, because I've got everything I need. I'm going to be filing complaints with the State Commission on Judicial Conduct. I'll be filing with the Public Attorney General's office.
About us not being able to get in.
Absolutely.
That's what I was telling that dude when he told me to get out. They let me in.
Yeah.
Until he figured out I was just a witness. But you did everything you could do.
Oh, I did. Because I was good. I was heading home and I gave somebody a call. And so, as I said,
See, you've got media on you, and they're keeping media out. So did you talk to
I was the one who told me that
he was right there.
yeah. So I have to take a picture with you
And you,
so that everybody can see this is what I wore
I
inside.
want to do it with the
Okay, sure. Yeah.
You want to get out of it?
No, you can come on in. Oh, good father.
But see, they can tell you, they can sure see the resemblance. I know I was able to.
I mean, because I've got a YouTube channel. I can the YouTube channel. And
Now, where'd you come from? It was heavy rain up that way.
Heavy
so much.
Oh, absolutely.
Was he the one that thought I might have been?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, your name is?
I'm Jeff Morgan.
Jeff.
Jeff Morgan.
Morgan.
You can go to YouTube and just type in Jeff Morgan. that picture comes up, I've got like 800 videos.
And what do you do, like,
Actually, but I also go into the courts because of the corruption that's in these courts. The extreme corruption that's in these courts.
well, you were instrumental in, remember the case with the little boy up in Dallas?
Yeah,
That we're gonna-
James Younger.
Yeah.
Just to remind you guys, Jeff Morgan on his spare time when he can do it, he actually is like cop watchers and like auditors. He is a court watcher.
The little boy that they were gonna, his mama wanted to chemical castrate him, wanted
Right, and-
turn him into a girl.
So we've got other things going on with that still.
No, yeah, it's back in courts. After all the political boys got involved for a little bit, and that was because of
I'm going to pull out my camera and I'm going to do a video right here, right now.
Yeah.
And if you want to come forward and just say, you know,
I think he would be more influential, being the dad. Even though I'm better looking. Even though
you both come in.
Even though I can't see you.
That's okay, not a problem. I'm setting it up right here. I've already told them that, you know, I sent them the office for the sworn affidavits. I'm pursuing this. I'm going to be talking about this at CPAC. The CPAC is coming up. We have a booth there. Obviously, I'm here with my media stuff. And they have chosen to deny me access as an independent journalist. And that violates our Texas constitutional rights that the courts shall remain open here. So I'm going to go in there and I'm just going
And
to...
that's a Texas Constitution.
Article 1, Section 13.
Okay. You kind of expected this stuff?
Oh, I absolutely. In fact, that's why I came. I said, you know what? It's a no lose proposition to me. After I was down here so far, I'm like, okay, so they don't let me in. That's fine, but now I have them on record of them not letting me in.
There we go.
So anyway, that's okay. That's not a problem.
I think they said this guy was a good job.
Yeah, no. Whatever's happening here is fine with me.
Did you ever get intimidated or that feeling of intimidation?
Well, you know what? I've had judges come out of the courtroom to threaten me and everything else. I mean, I was shocked because I wasn't expecting it. It is what it is.
Anyway, y'all, subscribe to him. Learn a little bit about court watching, and he's an activist on this family court thing, the 4D contract and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so check him out as well. There's a few other people, Susan Bassey, about the private judging, and I can't think of the lady there, but American Amy's been doing it with Megan Walsh against the problems she's had against her dad. Okay, and her dad, yes, is John Walsh. Okay, Megan Walsh actually. I haven't really checked into a whole lot of what she does. I know that she has a web page, but I haven't checked into it, so I cannot say one side or the other. I just know what I've seen from American Amy about Megan and a couple of other deals that she did on YouTube. Alrighty. So anyway, this is Diesel We the People News. Y'all, this family courts are really screwing up your families. And some of you guys already know it. What are we going to do about it? Is the issue. Till next time. Bye, y'all.